Holy crap, this is a bunch of bull caca. Stuck just south of Phoenix for it seems like more than an hour. This by the town of Iowa or Iona. I don't know. There's a town that starts with a Y, I back there. But when you went past that, it started backing up. Turns out there was an accident on mile marker 174. They didn't say which side it was on or what happened, but it must have been pretty bad. Ain't nothing you can do. There's a other side. They're just as bad. I bet that goes all the way back to Phoenix too. Shit. I mean, shucks. This is gonna screw up my plans for the day. I should have already been to Lost Dutchman, but I think since we're so backed up that I'm just gonna have to postpone that to another time, man. Keep on going. I'll make a beeline to a campsite or go to the queue and stay somewhere around there. But this is ridiculous, man. And the thing is, there's no other second route. You know, there's a few small towns out here, but not enough to connect a way to get out of here. Getting up to 60 miles an hour. This is the fastest we've gone in a long time, but I see ahead of me they're already stopping, so. Alright. Catch you later, Gators. I swear, another accident. What in the hell's wrong with these people here around Phoenix? You just can't get anywhere in Phoenix without accidents. What is it, Yuki? You're crazy, huh, Yuki? Oh yeah, welcome to Phoenix. See that line way down there? Well, that's what I'm stuck in. And been stuck in. Really? I guess in Phoenix they call up their spouse and say, honey, I'm leaving work, I'll see you tomorrow. This is my whole experience of Phoenix right here. From 12 o'clock to, what is it now, 3:39, I'm still stuck in traffic. This is ridiculous, man. I'm glad I got to go sneak away and go see that Casa Grande thing, that place built out in the desert. Otherwise, I would have wasted a whole day in just traffic. I have wasted a whole day in traffic. Jeez. Gee whiz, man. I met her in a club down in Old Soho, where she drank champagne and said it tastes like cherry cola. L-O-L-A-Lola, la 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 lo.